Hey, it's Raster from Kinetic here. Let's create this stretch text animation in Alight Motion. Let's start. We already have our composition set to 1920 by 3050 with a solid blue background. First, add the text stretch and set the text alignment to center. Choose your font, then adjust the color and font size until it looks right. Add the text passing effect and increase the letter space to around 3%. Next, add a rectangle and change its color. For now, lower the opacity to around 64%, then resize it so it covers the middle section of the text. Now, add the stretch effect to the text. Set the angle to 90 degrees and set the offset to around -31. Increase the stretch value to around 86. This value may need some adjustment later. Now add the wipe effect. Set the angle to 90 degrees. Lower start all the way down to -50% and set end to around 34.9%. Then go back to the stretch effect and lower the stretch value to around 71. Next, add a Raster Transform effect to the text. This is what we'll use to animate it. Let's start with the top part of the text. Add a keyframe to offset Y at the 2-second mark. But first, we need another copy of the text as a guide. Duplicate the text and remove all the effects except text spacing effect. This will become the middle section of our text. Now, go back to the top section and continue animating offset Y. Set it to around 35884 seconds and 0 seconds. Adjust the graph like this, then copy the curve and choose pass curves to all keyframes. Finally, trim all the layers so the animation is exactly 4 seconds long. Now let's create the bottom part of the text. Duplicate the animated top section, then invert all the values in the effects, both keyframed and non-keyframed value. So if value is positive, make it negative, and vice versa. This applies to effects like stretch and raster transform. For the wipe effect, however, we need a slightly different adjustment. Set end all the way up to 150% and set start to around 65%. Now bring the rectangle's opacity back to 100%. Select the rectangle and the text without the animation. Then create masking group. This will become the middle section of the text. Next, we are going to separate each letter. First, group all the layers together and rename the group according to the letters in the word. To separate each letter, use the wipe effect and adjust the start and end values until each letter is isolated in the correct order. Once they separated, offset each layer group by 3 frames to create a domino-style sequence. At the point, you may need to adjust the contents and layer duration slightly to make the animation feel seamless. Now let's give the text some more visual style instead of leaving it as a flat color. First, group all the letter groups together, then duplicate the group. Add the long shadow effect and adjust the shadow color, length, and opacity until it looks right. Next, add halftone dots effect. Adjust the color intensity and dot size until it looks natural. Finally, duplicate the long shadow effect, increase the shadow length and lower its opacity. Now, let's create the background. Add a rectangle, change its color, and make it fill the entire composition. Add the radial rays effect. Adjust the number of rays and their colors until you get the look you want. Then animate the angle so the rays rotate. Make sure the timing creates seamless look. Move the background layer all the way to the bottom of the layer stack. Finally, add halftone dots effect to the background. And adjust the settings until they look natural. For the final touch, add halftone texture, make it cover the entire composition, and change its blending mode to overlay. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.